Alright, here we are. What is this? May 15th? What is Jake doing? Jake's about to do something. Alright, we just landed. I'm barefoot. And we're walking down this inner levee. It is coming over the edge. Going out there. This is May. Oh my. Okay, hang on. Rolling pants up. One more loop. I said I wasn't going to go that far. I got my life jacket on. I'm a goober. Oh shit, Jake is out there. Oh my god, that's gonna be cold. That is nuts. That is crazy. Holy showzer. I hope a gator don't get me. That is crazy. Jake's gonna freeze. Well, he's fixing to dive off in there. Oh, no way! Holy cow! No, indeed. I guess the boat's still okay. That is nuts. That's crazy. Look at it. It's gone. It's Mississippi mud now. That is nuts. I know, I wish I could do that. I just want to like do a nesty plunge out there in my life jacket and everything.
Well, you got some dry pants?
I'm just joking.
You're not filming that, are you?
Yeah. Why not? Yeah, I'm pulling a John. Look at it.
I know it. It's pretty clear considering.
Considering what?
It's a Mississippi River.
It's so pretty. You should see it in the video. Look at that.
Oh, it is. That's sparkling.
Huh? Drink it. We already drink it. It's where our water comes from. All right.
That is cool. Jake, you want to try it there?
Hell no. Jake, put on life jacket. You got to put on life jacket. Because I'm afraid.
Bump your head. You go pass out there. It's going to take us a little while to get to you.
You will eventually float. You'll eventually float. No, indeed.
Look at this. Look,
I can't handle it. I can't handle it. Y'all got to put on life jacket if y'all going to do that.
I'm not doing it.
Look at that. No. You have no idea how deep that is. No.
I'll drop you off right here where these birds are.
No. Put on a life jacket. Alligator's gonna get you. If you put on a life jacket, you won't have to work so hard. Y'all aren't joking.
No. I'm not going. I'm gonna let him go though.
There's life jackets right under there.
He ain't gonna use it. It's fine, Jake. Jake, look, just throw the boat, throw that back in the boat, and I'll pick you up out in the water.
He ain't gonna be able to get in here?
Yeah.
We will.
Always do.
That is nuts. When we hung up?
Grass gets on that prop. One.
Yeah. That is nuts. I don't know if this is a good idea.
What's gonna happen?
What do you mean? Crazy ass.
He brought it bigger with him.
You did.
Ready?
Maybe I sink that one. That's a bad idea. I can't always find it. Oh, there's a Bud Light can.
Go, Jake!
Woo! Oh, he can stand up there.
He's going back for more.
Shit, can he get there?
Going back for more.
He ain't moving. He gonna have to swim.
He can't do it.
You're gonna have to get him. He's coming to you. Ooh, don't get me up in there. Look.
You go, wait.
That's poison ivy.
Give me the paddle and then I'll stop. You stay up front. That's not poison ivy.
Your ass hurts. That is such poison ivy. That is huge poison ivy.
Everything we've seen's been poison ivy.
Well, whatever. If you don't want to take my word for it now, you are mistaken.
Ready? Oh, I did gum it. Wait, Jake.
Go!
Did you get him?
Yeah! Cannonball! Hey, lady. I'm out here. It's high water. It is so... It's pretty rude what we're doing.
I didn't know you could film from.
So, anywho, we're out here in the high water. It is, and I will tell you, it is high water. No joking. Look, there's paradigms. There's purples.
David McCann.
Oh, well, he's underwater, obviously.
Look, Mac.